What's up everybody, Devin up here in the back, and today I got the JBL Tour Pro Plus TWS, and it's daring me to listen. Look, it's daring me to listen. Why? Is it bad or something? Like, am I gonna be amazed or am I gonna be disappointed? Like, why would you dare me to listen?
I made a mistake. These was crazy. These is crazy. I am seriously in love with these things.
You should just write, you shouldn't listen. Like, not dare me to listen. Like, I dare you to. Like we suck so bad. Like we dare you to listen. Or we're so good, we dare you to listen. You won't go back. I don't know what you're saying. It is this guy right here. Like, nah, but all jokes aside, so we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, and see how this is. I can't wait to try this out because I'm having a great run with these. Ooh, and I've noticed it's 24 hours. Holy crap. Whoa, look, it says they got a 2021 award from CES. Wow, so it has some credibility right here, okay? Okay. So, all right, enough talking. Let's get it started. Throw them threes up for your boy. I got goals today. I know you got goals today. What's y'all goals, man? Let's get it done. Let's get it started. So on the box, as you see, the adaptive noise cancellation, and it has wireless charging and Bluetooth, so that's really good. Next, it has 32 hours worth of battery. Whoa. 8-hour battery of buds, 24 hours with the case, total of 32. Okay. So CES gave it an award for Innovation Awards. So JBL has an app. The app is on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Perfect and natural calls with 3 mics. Again, you get the active noise cancellation. Extend 10 active noise cancellation battery with silent now. Smart audio and video mode. That seems interesting. All day comfort and custom fit. All right, and 10 minutes equals 1 hour of battery life. They're giving you all the specs right here. Okay, this is making this an easy video for me. So it has an IPX5, really great water resistance. Like, that is good. IPX5, so that beats the AirPod Pros. That beats the new Sony WTF 4000, you know, whatever it's called. Bluetooth 5.0, that's nice. The noise cancellation on, it has 6 hours of battery life, and with the noise cancellation off, you get the 2 extra battery life. So, hey, listen, that still beats the AirPods. The AirPods only have 4 with noise cancellation on. With it off, it's 6. But with this, you get 2 extra hours with everything. So again, this is really nice. In 10 minutes, like I said, 10 minutes to give you 1 hour. That's great. So it also works with the Google products and Alexa products also, Apple, with the whole 9 yards. So you are all set. Let's unbox this already. Okay, all right. After reading all this, man, I take it back, man. Look at that. He looked like he ready, man. Now he's like, all right, now I dare you to listen. All right, you got me. Okay, listen, I'm invested. Like, I'm kind of hyped up for this. Like, please don't disappoint me. Like, everything looks great. This looks great. The packaging looks great. The box looks great. Just everything's just nice so far. I'm liking this. And here it is, sitting here nice and comfortable. Okay. This feels really nice and luxury. All right, so the first thing that you get is a USB Type-C port, and it has the JBL logos on it. So, yep, you already know if it's USB Type-C, that's fast charging, which explains the 10 minutes to give you 1 hour battery life. Next, you got the size. You have the different sizes, so that's pretty cool, and it's on each side. So, I like that. See, options. Like, I feel like they really care about me, you know? I love the options. That's all we want. It's just options, okay? That's so hard. Like, you know, give me something to work with. And again, this is my first time using JBL product. First impressions, you know, first impressions. This is really nice. Wow, this is nice. Okay. So you got a quick start guide. It already says it here. Oh, nice. Oh, you got the Google setup. Amazon setup. Oh, they telling you how to use this thing. Oh, I'm impressed. I'm kind of fanboying out right now. Okay, you got a warranty, caution, and guide, and then you got some extra stuff here. So last but not least, here's the case, and the case just feels nice and luxurious. It looks nice. Just look at the inside. You got the magnets. You got the headphones to just sit in here, nice and black. I like the gloss on it. They did a really good job at the bottom. You got the light that emulates orange, which means, it needs some charge power. USB Type-C port, the Bluetooth option to pair. Really simple, really easy. I'm really a fan of these right now. And I actually noticed right here that the earbuds says Tor on it. So let's talk about the earbuds now. Oh yeah, it's looking for something right now. I can see now this is emulating blue. You got the magnets right here. And I like how it has this rubbery part right here. This helps for more of a secure fit and also to block out sound. So not only you have the buds itself, you have this extra gap part around it. Yeah, so you see that the extra gap part around it. So you got the buds itself, you got this extra gap around it to help fit in your ear a lot better, help to close off that sound. All right, man, let me hurry up and get this thing started. I'm so excited about this. This really just impressed me with everything. Okay, so far I like how there's options, and listen, I'm a man. I know what I want, but if there's options available, I got stuff I can choose from, okay? You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, make it simple for me, okay? Please. That's all I ask for. All right, so this is how I look like in my ear. Nice and fit, nice and snug. Like, these are definitely better than the Sony HELL 4000, you know what I'm saying? Like, they just feel great. They feel like if you had the Galaxy Buds, similar. If you had the Jabras, similar. Just really great. I'm gonna play some sound to see how this is, but I like the comfort. The comfort feels nice. I don't feel like nothing's in my ear, which I like. You guys know I always say that all the time. Just the feeling of it not being in my ear is the best thing ever. Whoa, did y'all hear that? Y'all hear that bass? And look how responsive it is. The moment I took it away from the mic, it stopped. Watch. Quick. The best. All right, last but not least, the phone calls.
Excuse me, how much is Eternal Sonata?
Okay, I'm gonna unplug the phone line so we don't get calls anymore.
Yeah, hands down best. Seriously, I have to remake. Oh man, nah, I'm gonna just do a comparison between these junks and the Sonys. I made a mistake. These junks is crazy. These is crazy. I am seriously in love with these things. Like, wow. Yeah. That's it. That's the end of review. Seriously, I don't know what else to say. You want the specs? I already went over it. Active noise cancellation. Great bass, great mic. Sits in your ear really great. So you could work out. You can work out on these. These will not fall out. I had a great time having these in my ear. Like I said, the water and sweat resistance IPX5, more than the AirPod Pros, more than the Sonys that just had came out. And battery life, more than the AirPod Pros. Same level as the Sonys. 6 to 8 hours. Like, how long you gonna be at the gym? 24 hours with the battery life all day. Active noise cancellation with it on, you got 6 hours. With it off, 8 hours. Like, hello, you're okay. That's a whole day's worth right there. Okay, these are great. You guys are gonna love these. Very sensitive to the touch, easy to use, so simple, and you don't need an app. You don't need an app. Great. You don't need an app. Just simple. Just turn it on. Go to your settings. Pair it. Simple. I've been proven wrong. This is my first time using the JBLs, and I'm blown away. So I give this like I don't do a rating system, but I give this 5 stars. 5 stars to everything. This is great. So, alright guys, this is Devin Up. I'm out. Bodies, hurry up. Hurry up before they sell out. Throw a picture for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. And I'm out. Peace. Oh, I also forgot to mention they're cheaper than the other competition too. Like, that right there, again, just everything. Everything. It wins.